अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज़ कंप्यूटर। कंप्यूटर इज़ अ मशीन दैट मैनिपुलेट्स data according to a list of instructions. A computer is a device capable of performing computation and making logical decisions at speed millions and even billions of times faster than a human being. Computer is an electronic machine which is used for data processing. The output which comes after processing data through computer is known as information. Why computers? History of computer. Zero, the nation, first generation, second generation, third, fourth and fifth. And now fifth is the present generation. 1980 start from 1980 to present. That are fifth generation. Zero generation start from 1642 to 1945. Mechanical calculators was developed as a computing device. First generation in 1946, first electronic computer ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and calculator, was developed by Mr. J. Presper Eckert and Mr. John Mauchly at University of Pennsylvania. It uses 18,000 vacuum tubes and it cost $5 lakh. Its weight was 30 tons and occupied a 30 by 50 foot space. It produced large amount of heat. Its speed was very slow. First generation. Then second generation. In the second generation, vacuum tubes was replaced by transistors. Speed performance of this generation computer was improved in comparison of first generation. Size, price and heat produced reduced by using transistors. Second generation computer are like that. Next is third generation. In this third generation, transistors was replaced by ICs, integrated circuits, fabrication of 1,000 electronic components on single silicon chip. Using this drastic reduction in the size of computers, speed performance was high in comparison to third generation. Heat produced by computer was reduced. These are third generation. Next, fourth generation. In this generation, ICs are replaced by LSI, large scale integrated circuits, more number of electronic components on silicon chip. These are low cost, small size and high performance in comparison to third generation. These are third generation computers. Like these are third, fourth generation and these are fifth generation. In this generation, LSI are replaced by VLSI, very large scale integrated circuits. Size and cost of these computers is very less and performance is very high. The computer can be divided into two main categories: hardware and software. Hardware is basically anything that you can touch with your fingers, and software, for computer hardware to work, it must allow a set of instructions that is applied to its software. Hardware refers to the computer physical components like computer case, CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, disk drive, hard drive, memory, speaker, printer are all hardwares, and software refers to the set of instructions like system software, application software and utility software. Bits and bytes. One digit, either 0 or 1, and byte, any combination of 0 or 1, also called a octet. Computer only understand 0 or 1, 0 off and 1 on. The number 25 is stored as 8 bits using the binary number systems. And the number of 179 is stored as 8 bits using the binary number system. So these are all about computers. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.